Hi everyone, my name is Nadia Palma. I am the research assistant here at Bloomfield College. And today I will briefly go over call numbers on books, how to locate them, and helpful tips in your research. Confucius once said, "Life is very simple, but we insist on making it complicated." To begin your research, first, use a few keywords to begin your search. Forget using conjunctions such as the, and, but. Using conjunctions does not impact your research, so there is no point in being too specific. Lastly, capitalization is not needed in your search. As you can see here in this example and screenshot, the title in the bar is Civil Rights Movement. There are no conjunctions and the title is not overly specific. And because of this, you come to over 18 pages that are closely related to the title. So you found a book. Now what? The search is looking for words you type in, not necessarily a concept. For example, the search might come up with a title like, "Please be civil. My rights are as important as your movement." Look at the record carefully. Make a determination of what is relevant for your needs. Is the book or video here in the library? And is it available? Let's analyze the record. Review the basics. Is the book available, and what is the call number? As you can see here, for groundwork, the local Black freedom movements in America, this would be the call number. This will be the sole source of how you can locate the books and videos, of course. And right here indicates the status. And as you can see there, it is currently checked out and not available in the library at the moment. So the book is available. What next? Make a note of the call number, which is like an address for locating the book. In our little example here, excuse me, this is the call number. You find this along the bindings of books or videos. The call number begins with a letter followed by a number. Next, there is often a decimal point followed by another letter. The book in our example is E18561W54W548. Here's a food for thought. E indicates the book is about the history of the Americas. 185 indicates the book is about the history of the United States. W indicates the author's last name. The most important info is E185.61, as you can see here. So, you get all of it, you understand it. Now how can you find the book? On the page for our Bloomfield College Library Catalog, there is a link for shelf locations on the first and second floor of the library, which in my next video, we will briefly go over. Using the grid, you can locate the shelf number of the book you are looking for. For example, E18561 can be found on shelf 8. So if I just click on this icon here, you'll be able to see all the call numbers, the shelf numbers, and